Dream of building a huge YouTube audience but hate being on camera? You're not alone, and you don't have to be visible to succeed. Some of the most successful channels are run by creators who never show their faces. Your ideas, voice, and creativity can be the stars. Faceless YouTube channels are booming, proving that content is king. Viewers care about value, not appearances. This trend opens doors for anyone who values privacy or prefers working behind the scenes. You don't need a fancy camera or perfect lighting, just a great idea and the drive to bring it to life. Imagine the freedom record voiceovers in your pajamas create after hours, and focus entirely on your craft. No pressure to perform, just pure storytelling, teaching, or entertaining. This is your chance to build a brand and business on your terms, with your privacy intact. In this guide, we'll show you how to launch and grow a faceless channel. Pick the best niches, get discovered, and make real income. Forget the myth that you need to be on camera to make it big. The faceless creator revolution is here, and it's your turn to join. Let's dive in. The biggest perk of a faceless channel? Privacy. You can build a brand without exposing your personal life. No awkward run-ins, no trolls digging into your background. Just pure creative freedom. All your energy goes into content quality, not appearances or lighting. This focus leads to better research, tighter scripts, and more engaging videos. Faceless channels are easier to scale. You can hire writers, editors, or voice actors without changing your brand identity. The content is the star, not the person. This model lets you grow into a media company, posting more videos than a solo creator ever could. Plus, the barrier to entry is low. All you need is a good mic and editing software. No expensive cameras or studios. Start with a budget mic and free tools, and invest in what improves your videos, not your looks. Faceless channels are affordable, accessible, and less intimidating for new creators. You get security, scalability, and creative focus, all while staying anonymous. That's the faceless advantage. Faceless YouTube works in almost any niche. Educational channels use animations or stock footage to explain topics. Think science, history, or finance. Meditation and relaxation channels thrive with soothing voiceovers and calming visuals. Gaming channels succeed with gameplay and commentary, no face cam needed. Cooking and DIY channels use top-down shots, focusing on the process, not the person. The key? Choose evergreen topics, content that stays relevant for years. Focus on health, wealth, hobbies, or skills. Make a list of your passions and see where there's demand. Don't chase trends. Pick a niche you love and can stick with long-term. Build your channel on timeless value and you'll attract viewers for years. YouTube is the world's second biggest search engine. To get found, you need smart SEO. Start with keyword research. Use Google Trends or YouTube's autocomplete to find what people are searching for. Craft titles that include your main keyword and spark curiosity. For example, easy chocolate cake recipe from scratch. Make your title benefit-driven, promise value and deliver on it. Keep titles concise and clear. The first lines of your description should reinforce what your video is about. Add a hook, a question, a surprising fact, or an information gap that makes viewers want to click. Use keywords naturally in your title, description, and tags. In your description, write a few clear sentences about your video, using your main keyword and related terms. Tags help YouTube understand your content. Add your main keyword and relevant variations. Think of SEO as giving YouTube a map to your video. Optimize every element, and you'll help the algorithm serve your content to the right audience. Good SEO is the difference between getting lost and going viral. Make it work for you. If your title is the promise, your thumbnail is the ad. It's the first thing viewers see, and it needs to pop. A great thumbnail tells a story and sparks emotion in a split second. Use bold, easy-to-read text, just a few words that add impact. High contrast colors and a clear focal point make your thumbnail stand out, even on mobile. Avoid clutter. Simple, striking images work best. You don't need fancy software. Free tools like Canva or Adobe Express make pro thumbnails easy. Develop a consistent style so viewers recognize your videos instantly. Stick to a color scheme, font, or layout that fits your brand. Think of your thumbnails as a collection. They should look like they belong together. Consistency builds trust and makes your channel look professional. Remember, your title and thumbnail work as a team to drive clicks. Make them irresistible together. That's how you win attention on YouTube. Creating great content is step one. But let's talk money. The YouTube Partner Program lets you earn ad revenue once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But don't stop at ads. Top creators build multiple income streams. Affiliate marketing is perfect for faceless channels. Recommend products, add a link, and earn commissions. Sell your own digital products, ebooks, courses, templates, or audio packs. As your channel grows, you can land sponsorships and brand deals. Companies pay to reach your audience, not your face. Merchandise is another option. T-shirts, mugs, or posters with your channel's branding. Mix these strategies to build a resilient business. Your faceless channel can become a true financial asset. Monetize smart and watch your empire grow. The golden rule: always create original content. Shortcuts like copying others or using low-effort compilations might get quick views, but they risk demonetization or channel removal. YouTube rewards unique, high-value content. Do your own research, write your own scripts, and develop your own style. Even with stock footage or animations, your narrative and voice must be yours. Originality sets you apart and builds a loyal audience. Every video is a brick in your digital legacy. Make it strong and respected. With original work, you control your future and avoid copyright headaches. You don't need fancy gear or to be on camera, just your unique ideas and voice. The faceless creator path is powerful and rewarding. Embrace the freedom, focus on value, and stay authentic. Be patient and consistent. Success will follow. The opportunity is here. Now subscribe for more. Go create something awesome.